Did you know that ESP32 can run multiple tasks at the same time? In this project, one task controls a slow LED sequence, another task controls a faster LED sequence, a third task reads a potentiometer, and another task handles Wi-Fi communication, all running together using freeRTOS. Hello everyone, welcome back to Electro Hobbyist. On this channel, we build practical projects with Arduino, ESP32, AI, and embedded systems. In the previous video, we used freeRTOS on Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno can run freeRTOS, but it has limited memory and only one core. ESP32 is much more powerful. It has more RAM, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and dual-core processing. This project has 4 tasks. Task 1 controls the first LED row. Task 2 controls the second LED row. Task 3 reads the potentiometer. Task 4 manages Wi-Fi communication. ESP32 has 2 cores. Core 0 often handles system and Wi-Fi operations. Core 1 is usually used for application code. In this project, Wi-Fi runs on Core 0. The LEDs and potentiometer run on Core 1. To create a task on ESP32, we use xTaskCreatePinnedToCore. This function lets us select the CPU core. The first parameter is the task function, then the task name, after that stack size, then task priority, and finally the core number. The first task controls the red LED row. The LEDs blink with longer delays. This creates a slow sequence. The second task controls the yellow LED row. This row uses shorter delays, so it moves faster. The third task continuously reads the potentiometer. The values appear in the serial monitor. Notice that the LEDs continue running while the sensor is being read. The fourth task manages Wi-Fi. ESP32 creates a local web server. From my browser, I can send commands to control the LED. Now everything is running together. The red LEDs are blinking. The yellow LEDs are blinking faster. The potentiometer is updating continuously. And Wi-Fi commands still work. This is the power of freeRTOS. In real projects, multitasking is extremely useful. One task can read sensors. Another task can update a display. Another task can send data through Wi-Fi. And all of them can work together. In future projects, we can combine freeRTOS with IoT, web servers, dashboards, and AI systems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.